everybody, it's Dahlia and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup look, super easy, super quick, on the go. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Dahlia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. That is pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and start with this video. I did receive a new product from Mirror Beauty. Honestly, by looking at this bottle, it's like you don't want to use it, but it just looks so beautiful, elegant, and I love the gold cap. It is so beautiful. Like, look at this. I love it. Massage 2 to 3 pumps onto your skin before and after moisturizing in the morning or twice a day. I already did my skincare, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this instant serum. 4 types, which are hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, and the second is caffeine rich for seed extra, is for pumping, and then the third one is Japanese gold thread root, which is for soothing and for protection. And the last is pH balance for a healthy skin barrier, which is really great. I do have dry skin. I love anything that's glowy skin on my face. This brand, Mirror Beauty, is so amazing because it's clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. I'm gonna go ahead and apply, be careful. Be careful when you're pumping it on your hand. So I'm gonna apply 1 pump. And basically I'm applying it all over my face. Honestly, with 1 pump, it's all you need. Like, look at that glow. This is super glowy. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go, it says to apply 2 to 3 pumps, but honestly I'm gonna go like 1.5 because the less the better. It has a lot of product, but once you apply it, you can feel that really nice hydrating feeling, smoothing, I don't know, but it feels so good. So I'm going in with the oil control setting spray, locks in makeup post application. So I'm going in with the setting spray just to set my whole face, but I like to go with extra just to keep it really hydrating because I do have super dry skin. I'm going in with the Mirror Beauty foundation. I got 2 shades. One of them is cream and the other one is orange, which is more like a yellow undertone. Thick foundation, and I got the shade orange. And for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Just kind of do lines basically. And applying that all over my face. So then I'm taking my beauty sponge and just blending my foundation in. And you can use a brush, but I can't find my Mirror Beauty brush. So it's somewhere in the house. I don't know where I put it, but it's somewhere. So I'm taking my beauty sponge and just blending that all over. This is actually the e.l.f. Beauty sponge. This foundation stick is so amazing. Like, compared to other foundation sticks, it really takes a long time to blend that product. Like, it's so cakey, so difficult to blend the foundation in. This one I had no issues whatsoever. So easy to blend. Honestly, it looks really nice and it gives a really nice glow to the face, and I love that. And with the Amber foundation, they do have a bronzer, but next time I'll get it. I got the shade Amber, which I use that to bronze up my face, and basically I'm just taking that and apply it like around the sides of my forehead, the top, and then just do a line over here and around my nose and my jawline. And I also like to apply it on my eyelid just because when it's a quick makeup look, I don't have time to apply eyeshadow, so adding a little bit color would definitely help up the look. So I'm going in with the same sponge and just blending that in. When I'm blending the foundation, I like to blend it upwards. I feel like that really helps because it gives a really nice shape to the face. So I'm going in on the other side and doing the same steps. And then I'm just blending the eyelid just to have a little color. because like I said, it's a quick makeup, but applying foundation will definitely help out the eye. I'm going in with the cream shade, and basically I'm just applying this on my under eye or my back show. And honestly, you don't need so much product. Then I'm applying a little bit on my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit on the forehead area and down my chin, and just blending the concealer in just to give a little nice bright to the face. And with this concealer, I like to apply it like kind of upwards. Then I'm doing the same thing on this area, kind of apply it. So I'm going in with my Mirror Beauty blush. I have in 2 shades. This one is Terracotta and the other one is Beverly Hills. So I have 2 shades. I think I might go in with Beverly Hills because I feel like I've been using Terracotta a lot. So I'm just going in with Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like swipe it. Like honestly, this is all I do. I'm also gonna apply it like around my nose area. Same sponge and just blending the product in. And I love this blush because it's just so easy to blend. And with the Hula Light Benefit Pressed Powder, and this one is the shade Light Powder. I'm taking my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, but I use this to set my under eyes, so, you know. So I'm just applying that my under eyes so it won't crease. I have 2 highlighters, and these is Bounce and this one is Kava. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Bounce in my finger and kind of like applying it where I like to look my nose, my cupid's bow area. I'm going in with the AOA Studio eyeshadow palette. This one's Fairly Garden. Taking this shade right here, and then I'm just applying it all over my eyelid. I just want some sort of color. I'm going in with the Mirror Beauty Brow Gel in the shade Brown, Fluffy Brows, and I just love it. I really love this product. It's so amazing. And what I do is I like to brush it upwards. Just gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going in with my Mirror Beauty mascara. I'm taking my lip liner, which is the brand UOMA. So I got this lip liner at Ross and it was only $2.99, and I love the shade of this. It's such a beautiful brown tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up my lips. And I'm not gonna talk because honestly, when I'm lining up my lips, I really have to concentrate, so. I'm going in with my Mirror Beauty. This is the Tinted Lip Oil, and I have the shade in Taupe. And I'm just gonna apply this to the center of my lips. So then to set my face to last, because I do work 8 hours, it's my 5-minute makeup look. It's super easy, on the go, for an everyday, for work, for running errands or appointments. This is my makeup look and I feel so comfortable. I put in together for a 5-minute. I promise you, this literally takes me 5 minutes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.